Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make sushi at home with an easy guide. First, select high-quality short-grain sushi rice for that perfect sticky texture. Rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs completely clear, removing excess starch. Cook the rice using a 1-to-1 ratio of rice to water, then let it steam for 10 minutes after cooking. This ensures your rice is perfectly fluffy and ready for seasoning. Next, let's season our rice. Combine rice vinegar, a tablespoon of sugar, and a half teaspoon of salt, warming it gently until dissolved. Carefully fold this mixture into your warm rice, being careful not to mash the grains. Now, place a sheet of nori, shiny side down, onto your bamboo rolling mat. This provides the base for your delicious sushi rolls. Now for the fun part, filling and rolling. Dampen your hands slightly and spread a thin, even layer of seasoned rice over about 2/3 of the nori sheet, leaving a small border at the top. Arrange your favorite fillings, like fresh fish or vegetables, in a neat line across the center of the rice. Using the bamboo mat, carefully roll the sushi tightly away from you, applying gentle pressure to create a firm, compact roll. Finally, it's time to slice and serve your homemade sushi. Use a very sharp knife, dampened with water, to cut your roll into 6 to 8 even pieces. This prevents the rice from sticking and ensures clean cuts. Serve your beautiful sushi immediately with soy sauce, a dab of wasabi, and some pickled ginger for a complete experience. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your kitchen spotless after your sushi adventure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.